road, kicking back old school tracks like damn. Can't get enough of this more like I don't even know where I am. Ooh, baby, get hyped to the beat.
I'm gonna do all of these just like that, but I just wanted to walk you through packing 1 and 2. I gotta label them and drop them off. I'm on my way to the post office with these girls. I don't want to show anyone's. Yeah. Thank you so much for the support. It honestly means so much to me. Hand press, hand doodle, everything is by me, so it really means a lot for the support. It's midnight in Cantaloupe, and I'm assembling my Totally Cherubs website. Ooh. I don't want to show it yet, like in the process, because I just want you guys to see how beautiful it is in the end. Because it's a mess right now, but yeah, I'm working on it. And hopefully I finish soon, and I'll show you the end results. Boop. Now, if you're up right now at midnight, go to bed. Some cantaloupe and then go to bed. Only I can be up because I need to work on my website. This is a new day, new night. From the last time I left you guys at midnight, but I finally finished. But no. Yay. Check it out. Go buy yourself a top. Go treat yourself. Yeah. Boop.